Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Iduma, and if this is your very first time tuning in and checking out this YouTube channel, thank you so much for checking out this YouTube channel. My name is Iduma. Do click the subscribe button, do click the like button if you do like the video. Today is like a day in a life kind of video. I'm a student here in Dublin City University, a master's student here in Dublin City University. It's a Friday, and I'm excited for a Friday, and next week is reading week. Although, however, moreover, whatever, I have assignments due this week. Next week, sorry, I have assignments due next week. So I'm just going to the library to see if I can start it, to see if I can just start it. Not even, just start it. It's high time. So do that, get back. We have a potluck, something like that, but like it's like a get together with my classmates where everybody, like, because we're like from different parts of the world, so you bring what you have. But you know, all those people, I don't think they're gonna bring what they have, they're gonna bring what they buy. Like, you're supposed to like cook and bring it, but I doubt that. And if it is your first time here, like, I'm Nigerian, so I'm planning of cooking rice just because it's safe. I'm planning of cooking jollof rice with fried rice, but then the problem is this: I can't really cook jollof rice. It doesn't come out right. For some reason, my jollof rice can taste like anything but jollof. So I'm going to try and cook that with chicken. Maybe have a vegan one, a non-vegan one, so that people do have options. So I'm going to cook like rice 2 ways. I get excited when I talk about food and all those things. But then that's basically what we're going to do. It's like very early in the morning actually. What time is it today? Oh, it's 7:43. It's quite early, so I'm going to have breakfast and then head out to the library because I need to come back by like 3 so that we could go to the store together, and then I can cook the meals because the potluck starts by 7. So technically I have like 2-ish hours to cook everything and make it look good, taste good. It's a difficult task. So that's what we're going to do. I'll take you to the potluck and take you to the store. We're gonna have a fun day. Oh my god, I've been speaking for so long.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head.
We're back. I'm back. We are back from the library, and it's few minutes to 4, and then I'm just back. So we're going to prepare for this potluck. Sharp preparation. So first of all, I'm thinking of doing rice, as I told you, 2 ways. So this program, I don't know, it's like everybody gets like their own native food or something like that, like your cultural food or something like that. So there's a lot of pressure, like I said, on this our jollof rice, even on the fried rice, because fried rice too, So we're really going to put in our best. Look at the food. This is not rush kind of cooking, because you don't want people to say Nigerian food is not good, right? We must represent. So I'm going now to marinate the chicken, and after I marinate the chicken, I will then go to the store and get rice. I don't have rice.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I
Honestly guys, I don't gauge. Life na juju.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
Chicken has been marinated. It has marinated. Look at it. It's marinating. It's marinating. It's manual. It's inside there, soaking up the juices. It's in there. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so sorry I didn't show you a clip from the supermarket, but your girl is back. What's the time? It's 5:07. So technically we have enough time to cook this food, and I've decided to make the food 3 ways. So like 2 with meat and then 1 that is vegan, coconut rice that was just like no animal anything inside it, just so that the vegans have options. And then I'm back from the store. Everywhere is a mess, like my table is a mess. I'm so sorry, but then this is what I got. I got bell peppers just for the fried rice. I got onions. I have white onions, but then I want depth, like I'm going chef way. So I just got that and few other things, and rice and meat. I've already marinated that chicken, but I decided to get another chicken, like chicken wings, like the pieces, because these people, I don't want anybody wasting my food. Like, they don't eat chicken properly. You're supposed to crack the bone, take out every single thing from it. These people cannot be wasting my chicken and just be eating the tips. Nah. So I decided to go for like chicken wings that are small. I'll just get a small portion of it. You get that kind of thing, because I will be pissed if I see somebody eating the chicken halfway. So I'm just going to like put it in a sauce, like a pepper sauce, something in that kind of nature, tomato sauce, something saucy. So guys, technically we don't have time for shenanigans, and the way my mind was wired, I felt basmati rice, no. So I went ahead and I got long grain rice. So this will take a longer time than basmati rice. So I'm boiling water now, just so the whole process is fast, easy for me. So when the water boils, I'll put it in, then put the chicken. I'm just going to like take the stock of the chicken, marinate this other chicken, put it in the oven. I need to put the oven now. Let's just be blasting. Let's just be blasting. No time. So that's the plan. I'm actually a fast chef. Like, let's time this. Like, I think it's like 5:10, so 6:10. 6:10 I should actually be halfway done. I doubt that, but I should be halfway through. Yes. So guys, everything is on fire now. So I'm going to go and change, just wear like house clothes so that I don't smell like, you know, when you finish cooking in the kitchen, you now start smelling ogiri, like, I don't know, you start smelling, just, I can't explain the smell, but you start smelling. So go and change to something comfortable, very comfortable. Yeah, let's go and do that while it's steaming up. Let's go be busy while losing lights, but it's all good. I'm watching Skinny Girl in Transit and eating an apple because I'm hungry and I'm waiting for this rice. I don't have food again in my kitchen and I really am dependent on this rice. So it's cooking. The rice has been boiled. So after I eat this corn, but after this apple, no, let's be watching this Skinny Girl in Transit because I only have 10% on my phone. Let me sit down on the table and cut all distance while I watch Skinny Girl in Transit. My baby girl, she has lost her baby. It's so sad. How me there? Kai, you can imagine. I never watched season 1 to 5. I'm watching 6. It's life. But it's interesting. Good morning, guys. Good morning. You are highly disappointed. I know that. This is the next clip. You are thinking you're gonna see the food, the potluck, everything. But see what happened. I got there, and then you know how I was saying I'm speedboat, Houston boat, whatever boat, and then I thought I could cook in 1 hour. Nah, I got there by 8. Surprisingly, it hadn't started. They were just waiting for everybody to get there. So I was actually safe. I was exhausted. I didn't even know where my phone was, but my phone was at the back of my pocket. But I was so exhausted I couldn't even feel my own phone. But then I decided to show you what I made because it's still remaining. And let me tell you, my rice was amazing. Like, they said it. But then the thing is this. You know, these people, it's been a while they ate home food. And when you haven't eaten home food in a while, anything actually tastes good. So we don't know. We really cannot evaluate the rice. But then it looks good. It actually looks good. And then, because there was no time, I was supposed to grill the chicken wings, but then there was no time, so I fried it. This is what it looks like. It really looks good. Look at that. Kai, your girl is a chef. So I just lightly fried it, and then this is the fried rice, and that's the jollof rice. Look at it, looks good, it tastes good. I could have actually showed you like the whole cooking process, but everywhere was yellow, you know, like the whole lights in here is yellow. So but still, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I know I didn't vlog so much, but I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is totally free. If you didn't know, just click the red bar that says subscribe and just go, or click a like button, subscribe button, then go down and comment down below and just say that girl, you're a chef. Girl, you're a chef. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.